Goeiedag, ik ben Lucas de Man en ik mag u in deze video welkom heten in het werk van Constant Nieuwenhuis. De grote kunstenaar Constant Nieuwenhuis, die dit jaar 101 jaar geleden is geboren. Dus, yes, hoera, feest alom. Overal in verschillende musea zijn er allerlei activiteiten, tentoonstellingen, ook zo hier in het Cobra Museum. Er is hier een prachtige tentoonstelling met het werk van Constant en ze hebben hedendaagse kunstenaars gevraagd om daar weer op te reageren met nieuw werk. Bijvoorbeeld Antonis Pittas. En die is hier, dus ik ga hem interviewen.
I decided to pick up and curate and let's say select the works of Constant that they are basic on paper. They're quite fragile, sensitive, and especially to the light. So the first thing that I thought is to use the curtains to cover the work of Constant, but on the same time to create this kind of almost this performative theatrical space.
Yeah, because it feels super mysterious. I was seeing it immediately, I was thinking I want to take things apart, I want to open it up. Is the idea that we can do it or how does it work?
What you have to do is you have to pick up those white gloves.
And then I open, with these gloves, I open curtains.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So then I came with an idea. I used the volunteers of the museum.
Okay. So when the audience comes in the museum, they come in your installation, a volunteer can choose randomly, whenever they want, to open up work, but also to close it again. So maybe someone is watching here and the person says no, and now we're going to open here.
Yeah. Some people, they're also upset about it. For example, why their cover, why I can see only half, why someone else can decide for me. If you see half of it, take another walk and return back. Yeah. Maybe you see the other half.
And what is the word that we see here? Because
this is the title of the exhibition. Of my installation.
Yeah,
and as
don't forget me here.
Don't forget me here. So there are, in some cases, prints on the curtain, and some other cases is graphite on the wall.
Is this a painting by
This is you know, it's the latest period of his work, which again is refugees from Yugoslavia. For many years, I'm already collecting a lot of images around immigration and humanitarian crisis.
Why are you so pertinent on showing the refugees?
I'm interested to create these new podiums of those voices, kind of reenactivate them again.
You have the Syrian refugees, we have the reference to the Afghanistan. I have the feeling that the word vulnerability is sort of like the main word that's connecting them all. Is that super important for you?
I'm happy that you're thinking of it. Yes, this kind of this vulnerable moment. Sharing a human story, narrative, which contains these dramatic elements we are responsible also for. And that's something that we keep forgetting in our comfortable in our comfortable daily life. We're forgetting this moment of our responsibility.
Actually, I don't want to show everything. I think it's nice that the people kom zelf maar naar hier en ga zelf maar, als de vrijwilliger het toestaat, dingen bekijken. Als. Dus controle loslaten. Voor velen van jullie is dat ook een keer fijn. Even controle loslaten en het komt allemaal goed. Just talking, making sure that they understand, that they don't have control.
Yeah,
that's very important.
Yeah.